Today we are going to make tiramisu the way I like it. Let's get started. We will need 4 eggs, 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, 250 grams of whipped thick cream, 100 grams of custard sugar, 300 grams of sponge fingers, and 300 grams of espresso coffee, which in this recipe I have chosen decaf. From the 100 grams of sugar, I add 1 teaspoon into the coffee and stir and let the coffee cool while we'll begin our cream filling. I like to wash the eggs before separating the yolks from the whites. In a small bowl, I pour in the whites, and in a large bowl, I add the yolk. Beat the egg whites till fluffy, and in the meantime, before melting completely, we will add some custard sugar. Pop your melted egg whites into the fridge and we will start whipping the cream. Here we will also add sugar. Then mix the egg yolks and remaining sugar . And we will add the mascarpone cheese. Like that, we will create a rich cream mixture. Add the whipped cream and mix. Finally, we add our melted egg whites, mixing delicately in small portions, from the bottom to the top with a rubber spatula. This creates a tiramisu cream which has a light and fluffy consistency. Cover and pop it into the fridge while we prepare the rest. We will begin by dipping the sponge fingers into the cold coffee and place the first layer in a 32 by 20 centimeter ceramic dish. Top with half of the tiramisu cream . And repeat the same with the second layer. Lastly, we sprinkle dark chocolate. I like to use the dark Italian drinking chocolate. Cover and pop it into the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. This is my piece the next morning with a cappuccino. Enjoy!